Yeah, I can make Til Gud Laddu samosas. Wow, samosas! It's so tempting. Then why are you waiting? Prepare, no Sonika? Yeah, wait. Let me introduce to my friends first. Okay. You sit here. Namaste everyone. My name is Sonika and today I am going to make Til Gud Samosas. Yes. So just now as we discussed, me and Chiku, we are going to make today a special dish. For that, first we need to make Til Gud Laddu. Yes, Chiku? Yeah. So for that, we need sesame seeds, jaggery, peanut, this ghee, cardamom and dry fruits are optional. Okay, so Til Gud Laddu. Til means sesame seeds, Gud means jaggery. Til Gud Laddu is traditional Indian sweet balls. It is not only taste delicious but also rich in iron, calcium, omega fatty acids. It stabilizes blood pressure and many more benefits. It's good for skin, hair also. The combination of til and jaggery also boosts immunity. Yes, then why we are waiting? Let's start! First, we have to take a pan and roast the sesame seeds. Here I have taken 1 cup, that is 200 grams of sesame seeds. So we have to roast this until it splutters or crackles. Roast very gently and carefully because it might get burned. If it burns, your laddus will become bitter, like bitter gourd. We won't like that, right? So, roast it carefully. Here, one more reason that I am roasting the sesame seeds, because it enhances its flavor and nutrients also. And of course, to make it crisp, see, now it's spluttering. See, it's going here and there. So the sesame seeds are ready. We can transfer this into a plate. See how nicely it's spluttering and crackling, becoming golden brown also. So now let's off the flame and transfer this into a plate. Now leave this for seconds to cool it down. Now the next step is we need to grind this roasted sesame seeds and roasted peanuts and jaggery all together. But first we'll grind this sesame seeds. My jar is so small, so I'll do one by one. If you have a bigger one, you can add groundnut as well as sesame seeds. So let's do one by one. have to careful while blending the sesame seeds. It should not be very powder. It should be coarsely blend. So first, just grind it. Now you can see it's little coarse. Okay, so now it's time to take out. Complete the same with remaining sesame seeds. Here we are blending the sesame seeds because we can get more benefit of it. As the seeds are very small, tiny, it passes as it is from the body. It won't absorb. So if we eat the sesame seeds in a powder way, so we get more benefit of it. And one more reason why I'm blending this, because if someone turns up their nose by seeing the sesame seeds, especially like children, they even not able to know it's a sesame seed. So you can include in the diet. Now this mixture is ready. You can see it's greasy and able to bind it. If you are not able to bind like this, do once again blending. See, here I can make nice laddoos. It is blending. So now we have to add 1 teaspoon ghee. It is optional. If you want, you can add. Okay. Then some chopped dry fruits. Here I took almonds and cashew nuts. You can add as how much you want, and little cardamom powder. Wow, it smells so good. We are adding this all to enhance its taste, as well as we should get benefit of nutrition. So now let's make this laddoos. Mix it properly. For samosa making, for filling in the samosa, you can make the laddoos and fill it in that, or you can fill as it is, how it is. It's so nice. Just press with your palm downwards and make laddoos. See, so beautiful. You can make like this and have it as it is. Now let's make Til Gud Samosa. Samosa is a fried or baked pastry with filling inside. It was introduced in Indian subcontinent in 13th or 14th century. We know samosas we get in many varieties like potato samosas, onion samosas, chocolate samosas, like that. Today I am making this Til Gud Samosa. So now let's start. For that we need dough. The dough process is the same as how we made for how to make modak video. So you can check the process how to make this in my how to make modak video. So now take a small ball size dough, roll it. Here you can take this according to your size. If you want the big samosas, you can take the big balls, or if you want the mini samosas, you can reduce the size. So here I am doing medium samosas, so I took this for size. Now we can roll it. Roll it into a round shape. while rolling you can dust little flour powder so it won't stick. Now you can stop rolling, and now we have to cut in the center. Okay, so now take one piece at a time and roll it once again to make it even in a half moon shape. Now take this and apply little water at the edge where it is straight, and here we have to make in a cone shape. I am applying water to make it stick properly. See, like this we have to make the cone shape. Okay, see, press it gently. Now see, it's become like a cone shape. Here now you can add this laddu, or you can just take the powder and fill it. Here today I'll do both. We can take this powder, fill it properly. Now again we have to apply the water to the edges because we can stick again. Here just turn it like this, like flip, bend and paste it over. Done. See, it's become samosa. Here be careful, you have to press properly, otherwise while frying all your til will come out. So carefully press this. The same process, do it for remaining samosas. Now filling is ready. Let's fry them. Take one by one and put it gently in the oil. Oil is very hot, so be careful. Put one by one. Here, if you want to skip this frying process, deep fry process, you can bake it in the microwave also, in the convention mode. So now fry until it becomes nice and golden color. Fry it in medium, low to medium. Now turn one by one. See, it's becoming little brown, golden color. Be careful. Now see, the samosas became golden brown, so it's ready now. We can take one by one, slowly. See, you can hear the sound, it's so crispy. Now Til Gud Samosa is ready. In Maharashtra, people traditionally wish everyone by saying Til Gud आणि गोड गोड बोला, means spread sweets by distributing and eating Til Gud Laddu. But today I am telling you all Til Gud Samosa घ्या आणि गोड गोड बोला. Happy Makar Sankranti! Please try this recipe. Like and share. Bye bye.